IELTS Speaking Part 2 and Part 3. Part 2. Describe someone you know who has recently moved to a new place. You should say who he/she is, what the new place is like, why he/she moved to a new place, and explain whether his or her move has a positive impact on you.
People move to a new place for two main reasons: for job and for education. Recently, my cousin went to Victoria, Canada for her higher education. It was her dream to go there. She had wanted to go there since her childhood. So, she was very happy when she got her visa and her dream was fulfilled. Whenever we talk on phone, she can't stop talking about how amazing Canada is. The one thing she really loved was the changing colors of leaves during fall. India doesn't have fall season, so it was all really new for her. The education system is also completely different. There is a lot more focus on practical knowledge. She moved there into an apartment and she has her own individual room. In India, she lived in a house, but she didn't have her own house. She had to share a room with her younger sister. At first, she was very delighted to have a whole room to herself, and she has told me many times she misses sharing the bed with her sister. Her moving there was a big inspiration for me. Once I saw how amazing life was in Canada, I also decided to go there for my higher education. However, I know it is not going to be easy. She had to work very hard to get there. Both of us come from Punjabi medium schools. She worked really hard on her English to clear the IELTS exam. Moreover, she knew she wouldn't be able to survive there if she couldn't speak English well. I saw how she worked on her English every day. She used to watch English TV shows and read English newspaper daily. Slowly, her English got better over time, and now she speaks English so fluently. If it hadn't been for her, I would never have dreamt of studying in Canada.
Part 3. Follow-up questions. Why young people move to own accommodation?
There are many reasons why young people move to a new accommodation. Firstly, they move to new place for work or study. Secondly, they move to new place for privacy and independence. There are many advantages of living with parents, but after reaching a certain age, people prefer to live according to their wishes, and that's why they move to a new place.
Is there any other reasons besides that?
Yes, people may also move to new place because their old accommodation might not have enough place for their whole family. I remember my father bought a new house because there were only 2 rooms in our old home and we had to sleep on the floor when guests visited us.
Do you think people move more today than in the past? What are the reasons for this trend?
Yes, I believe people move much more frequently today than in the past. One of the main reasons is globalization. Many companies operate internationally, so employees are often relocated to different cities or even countries. Another factor is education. Students travel abroad for better academic opportunities. In addition, technology has made it easier to find jobs or housing in new locations, which encourages mobility. Compared to earlier generations, people today are more open to change and less tied to one place, which also contributes to the trend.
How does moving to a different region or country affect someone's cultural identity?
Moving to a different region or country can have a significant impact on a person's cultural identity. On one hand, it can enrich their perspective, as they are exposed to new traditions, languages, and ways of life. Over time, they might adopt some of these elements and become more open-minded and adaptable. Do you think people move more today than in the past? What are the reasons for this trend? Yes, I think people are much more mobile today than in the past. Several factors contribute to this trend. Firstly, globalization has made it easier for people to work, study, or settle in other countries. Secondly, advancements in technology and transportation have reduced the barriers to relocation. It's now easier to find jobs, apply for visas, or stay in touch with loved ones from afar. What role does employment play in people's decision to relocate? Employment is often one of the biggest motivators for people to relocate. Many individuals move in search of better job opportunities, higher salaries, or career advancement.